You gave. You waited. And nothing came. You believed. But heaven stayed silent. You held the vision. Prayed with both hands open. Let go when it hurt. And still, it didn't come. Not the sign. Not the call. Not even a whisper. Just silence. Just space. Just you, wondering if you misunderstood everything. And you started asking the question, did I get it all wrong? Or did I just reach the part of the story where everything falls apart before it begins again? There was that summer. The one where you told yourself, this is it. This is my turning point. You felt the pull. To say yes to the unknown. To give it one more chance. To believe. You packed the suitcase. Cleared your calendar. Lit every candle of hope you had left. You poured your heart. Into people. Into prayers. Into promises you made to yourself. In the silence of your room. You whispered, I'll give it everything, just let something come back. But nothing came back. Not the clarity. Not the breakthrough. Not the open door. Just you again. Sitting in the stillness. Wondering if all that effort, all that hope, was just naive. Wondering if you just imagined the whole thing. And maybe you were never meant for more. But what if collapse isn't betrayal? What if it's birth? What if your breakdown is not the end of belief, but the beginning of becoming? Let's look deeper. You weren't being punished. You were being hollowed. Like a vessel carved to carry something sacred. Just like the seed must crack in the dark before it can reach the sun. Just like the moon disappears for a night before reappearing whole again. Your silence wasn't absence. It was preparation. Your exhaustion wasn't weakness. It was a soul realigning to truth. And your belief, the kind that no one saw, wasn't wasted. It was witnessed by something bigger than answers. Witnessed by God. Breathe, beloved. Let the silence soften. Let the ache be seen. I'm so sorry you believed and nothing came back. I'm so sorry you waited and all you heard was silence. I'm so sorry your hope felt wasted. You gave your all and got emptiness. You were so sure. And still, it slipped away. I'm so sorry no one saw the courage it took to keep believing. I'm so sorry it felt like God disappeared the moment you needed him most. But I see you now. And I know what you gave. And it mattered. Even if it didn't return the way you prayed it would. I'm so sorry you started to question your worth. Just because your faith didn't bloom right away. I'm so sorry they told you to move on, but didn't see how sacred your devotion really was. I'm so sorry the silence made you feel small. Like maybe you were the problem. You weren't. You were holy all along. And I still see you. Exactly where you are. And I still call you worthy. You're not foolish. You're sacred. You didn't get it wrong. You were responding to a signal your soul still remembered. The love you gave wasn't wasted. It was seed, and it went deep. And even if no one thanked you, Even if the doors stayed closed. Even if your arms are still empty. Heaven noticed. I noticed. God noticed. And the silence wasn't rejection. It was preparation. A holy pause. Before the door opens in a way you never imagined. This is not the end. This is where your real life begins. Breathe, beloved. You don't have to prove anything. You never did. You can stop holding your breath now. The waiting was never a punishment. You stayed. You loved. You didn't run. And that made you holy. Let the silence soften. Let the ache be seen. You're not broken. You're becoming. This wasn't failure. It was a turning. A quiet, sacred turning. You didn't lose. You were rewoven. The world might not see it yet. But heaven already does. And when the time is right, it will all unfold. Like breath. Like grace. Like a door that always knew your name.